Check out this pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Got a 1965 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. This vehicle actually came to us out of Nevada. 350 underneath the hood, 325 horse built 350, 30 over. I'll tell you where to see the still pictures here in a little bit. There's some information on the engine build in with the still pictures also, FYI. And that's paired up with a recently rebuilt turbo Hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Paint is also recent on this truck. Yellow-black combination. Go ahead and take a look at the grille. Front bumper headlight surrounds. So paint shows well. Also an AC equipped truck. AC blows cold. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that information on the engine build, check out the engine bay itself, the underside of this truck, interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Yellow and black theme continued through the interior of this truck, and there you can see the under dash AC unit. Also, if you notice walking by the front of the truck, it does have the rally style rims on it. Beauty rings and center caps, good looking chrome. Bed of the truck also finished off nicely. Stained bed with stainless steel inlays there, separators. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We'll pop open the hood here in just a bit to start it up. Let's hear it run. Good sounding truck. You can see how nice and straight it is too. Some of the recent work that was just done to this truck also I wanted to mention. I brought up the rebuilt tranny earlier, the turbo Hydromatic 400. Also has had valve cover gaskets replaced, rear axle seals, as well as a starter. So some recent service work done to it. And once again, probably close to 100 pictures of this car or truck online. uniqueclassiccars.com. See the seats free of rips, tears, holes. I have the floor mats down here during the video, but you can also see underneath those in the still pictures and get an idea of the carpeting. Carpeting looks good in this one. Let's go ahead and fire it up. As you can see, did mark electric fan switch here. Just pull it down, we'll turn the fan on. Give you a good idea of the dash. We do have a visor up here also. Alright. Again, 325 horsepower, 350, built 30 over. There'll be information on the build and with the still pictures. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Let's pop this hood open. Check out that engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a look at that V8, so aluminum radiator. You have headers, electronic ignition, AC unit. AC does blow cold, mentioned that earlier. It's a nice dress up on the engine with a chrome air cleaner cover as well as chrome valve covers. Chrome alternator. So nice, tidy looking engine bay. There you go, 1965 C10 regular cab short box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.